really gotta address this. I was gonna do this all as a really quick video. What the heck has happened in this phone? One screw is holding this plate in, and there's no plate holding the camera down. What's going on here? This is just a simple screen replacement, but I am disgusted at whatever technician worked on this last. I'm gonna have to ask the customer, who worked on this phone? Because this is terrible. There should not be missing plates and only one screw holding holding a shield in. That's absolutely crazy. I don't understand what's happening here. Why is this like this? Look at this. Look how this is stuck across the speaker like that. They didn't even replace. Let's go back to me just quickly going through this repair. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing that's particularly hard. I got to take this. I got to move it over to the new screen. I am sorry for the desk being an absolute mess. I'm working on an A8 at the exact same time. So my rant is over. Final check, everything looks good. I found a plate, an extra one that I had salvaged out of an iPhone 8 in the past, so that's gone in with some new screws, and it's looking good. So much better than it was. So we have it all squished together, all nicely crunched. Just gotta put in those pentalobe screws. And there we have it. Another phone done. If you guys like the video, please do leave a like, and if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. I'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.